Hello, boys and girls. For Math Fluency Drawer 2, you will be playing Compare It. This is a partner activity. The materials you will need is one baggie with 3 symbol cards in it for you and your buddy to share. The 3 cards should have a greater than, an equal to, and a less than symbol. Each person, you and your partner both, will need a whiteboard, a marker, a recording sheet, and a pencil. For step 1, both of you will write your own 2-digit number in the appropriate size on your whiteboard. That means your number should not be taking up your whole whiteboard. Write in an appropriate size that your teacher expects you to. So write a 2-digit number, but keep it a secret and don't show your partner. Then count to 3 quietly together, and when you count down, show each other your boards. After you look at the numbers, lay them down on the floor, and then decide whose number is bigger, or which number is greater, my number or my partner's number. Step 4, pick the correct symbol from your baggie that compares the 2 numbers and put it in between the 2 numbers. You need the greater than, the equal to, or the less than symbol. Think about Andy or Allie the alligator. It wants to eat the bigger number. Step 5. Start at the number on the left and read what it would say. So for example, if there's a number 43 on your left board, you would say 43 is, and point to the symbol, greater than, and point to the other board and say what the number is, 20. Or 14 is less than 36. Read what your and your partner's boards say with this symbol in between. Step 6, write it down on your recording sheet with the 2 numbers and the symbol in between. Then erase your whiteboards. Step 7, you're going to repeat step 1 through 6 again, picking new 2-digit numbers to compare, and continue to fill up your recording sheet. You are finished with this game when you have filled up your entire recording sheet. Your recording sheet looks like this. It says compare the numbers, and you can see here is an example they wrote. 7 is greater than 2, 4 is less than 8, and 5 is equal to 5. But again, these numbers here that they wrote are not 2-digit numbers. So be sure when you're comparing your numbers that they are 2-digit. That means there's 2 numbers in the number. Have fun!